Let's talk about virtual machines and compute engines. HTML is a markup language designed to be displayed in a web browser. CSS is a way to add style to HTML documents. JavaScript is a coding language that allows you to do a lot of things like have dynamic content and animation. Bootstrap is an open source that allows you to create websites and applications faster and easier. HTTP is a protocol that is mainly used for communication between web browsers and web servers. HTTPS is the same as HTTP, but it also encrypts requests and responses so communications are more secure. Open source are resources that are designed to be public accessible, which means anyone can see and modify them. Here are some popular programming languages. C# is mainly used for web applications and large websites. Python is mostly used for math and websites. PHP is mostly used for applications built on older scripts like WordPress. Swift is mainly used for iPhone and Mac applications. Tap in every Saturday where we do hands-on learning. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you there.